In this video, I'm sharing with you a unicorn cake design from start to finish. It begins with layers of orange butter cake and coconut cake, raspberries, key lime simple syrup, and coconut cream cheese, pineapple filling, and lots of Italian meringue buttercream. Each layer is glazed with key lime simple syrup, and the layers and fillings are alternated. Crumb coating the cakes is next to seal in the crumbs. Then your final coat is added. Make the ears and the horn ahead of time by using either gum paste or fondant with a little Tylose powder added. You can make a template and trace around it like I did. Roll out a small piece of colored fondant and then using a cutter or cut by hand a triangular shape. Trim it to fit and then use a small amount of water to stick the pieces together. Pinch the bottom edges to create an ear. Set aside to dry. I followed Rosie's Dessert Spot tutorial to make the horn. For a 6-inch cake, the horn at 5 to 6 inches was about right. Once you're happy with the horn, push a sharpened skewer straight through the middle. Set aside to dry. I went with a rose gold dry petal dust on a still moist horn. I then added some white glitter dust to the ears. Dowel your cakes. Now I'm using plastic straws. This is coconut, and it's used to help prevent the tears from sticking to each other. You can use graham cracker crumbs if you don't want to use coconut, or you can use waxed paper. A wooden dowel goes straight to the bottom. That holds the two tiers together. A 1M tip creates a really nice fluffy border. If you'd like a copy of my free buttercream book, go to my website, weddingcakesforyou.com, and you'll see a link to download your free copy. Now, I couldn't use the black fondant eyes that I had planned on using because I had some moisture issues. So the perfect solution was to use buttercream and a small star tip to create the eyes, and a number 1 which creates the eyelashes. Using a 1M here and creating a framework of the mane. Plan on several batches of buttercream to make this cake. I believe I used 4 to 5 batches for the entire cake. That's a lot of buttercream. Enjoy the rest of the decorating, and I'll see you on the other side. I hope you picked up some useful tips in this unicorn cake tutorial. See you in the next video.